Good morning. My name is Muhammad Al-Farizi bin Shafrul. My matrix ID is J20A0500. I am from the course Science Material Year 1. Today I will present the Virtual Lab Report 3 Force and Motion. Let's start. Based on the question I get, I must change the coefficient of static friction. This is the result I get. Based on this result, we can see the block moving static from 1.0 until 0.6, but the block start moving from 0.5 until 0.0. Go to the next slide. The next slide is the calculation for the value of coefficient of static friction when the block is still static. The next slide is the first value of coefficient static friction when the block is moving. The next experiment, I must change the angle of this friction. This is the result, the movement experiment when I change the angle. Based on this experiment, we can see the block still static from angle 0 degree until 21 degree, but the block start moving from angle 24 degree until 30 degree. The next slide is the last volume of angle when the block still static. The next slide is the first value of angle when the block is moving. Discussion based on experiment. From the task 1, it is the result I calculate for all the volume. The next slide is if we can change the material from wood to steel, the value of angle is increased before the block start moving. In the conclusion from task 1, if the volume of coefficient static is friction increase, the block will hardest to move because this is more intermolar interaction between object and another surface. But conclusion in reference task 2, if the material the block change the between wood to steel, it is sure that it can get the value of angle it is the more higher before the block start moving. It was because the friction is higher. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you.